Secretary, magandang umaga po sa inyo.
Magandang umaga, Alvin. Thank you for having me.
Opo, ay teka muna unahin natin yung bagyo, no po. Pag may bagyo at may deklarasyon ng state of calamity, matik po yan, yung presyo ng mga pangunahing bilihin ay magkakaroon ng price freeze, ano po? Nabalitaan niyo po yung Samar, Leyte provinces?
Yes. Every time may calamity po or may bagyo or anything, example earthquake, meron po tayong 60-day price increase for the basic necessities and prime commodities. Automatic po yun.
Opo, so i-remind lang natin yung ating mga kababayan, pag may declaration po ng state of calamity, although dito po sa Metro Manila, at saka hindi ba may direktiba naman po ang presidente na huwag payagan ang anumang hirit na pagtaas sa presyo ng mga basic at prime commodities?
Yes, we don't have any price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities until the end of the year. Hanggang sa December 31, 2025 po, wala po tayong magiging price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities.
So parang tila baga hindi na rin kailangan ng price freeze, Secretary. Kasi by that utos alone ay hindi na talaga gagalaw dapat ang presyo.
Yes, hindi po gagalaw talaga ang presyo. Nationwide na po ito. I'm able to speak to all the manufacturers. I'm able to speak to the owners actually of these companies, and they have assured us that they will have no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities. In fact, dito po sa PAMPI, sa Philippine Association ng Meat Processors, they have already sent a letter that they will support the President's call for no price increase until the end of the year at for the basic necessities and prime commodities. Pero meron din ibang produkto silang hindi po sila mag-price increase.
Opo. So
that is not sakop ng basic necessities and prime commodities. Parang nagdagdag po sila ng suporta sa ating Pangulo sa yung PAMPI po.
You're talking of ham kasi po ang PAMPI meron din pang Noche Buena.
Hindi po. They have other products din po basta meat processed products po that meron silang parang they will give also no price increase kahit hindi po siya pasok sa basic necessities and prime commodities list.
Oo nga po, pati po yung hamon na pang Noche Buena naman na hindi po basic, nangako na rin po ang PAMPI na hindi sila gagalaw.
Hindi po, not for all. Meron ang CDO nag-commit po that they have a certain ham that they will not increase.
Opo.
They will not have any price increase for this particular ham. Christmas ham po ito.
Opo, pati po yung Virginia ni Chukinoy, ni Boy.
Yes, opo. Hindi rin po sila mag-price increase, yes.
So yung ibang malalaki, hindi pa nangangako?
Maglalabas po kami sa Friday ng list ng mga those Noche Buena items that will have no price increase. And if ever, meron konti lang. Pero we are still talking to them and hopefully they will agree na no price increase po for basic necessities and prime commodities plus the Noche Buena package po. But I will give the information for the Noche Buena on Friday.
Opo. Siyempre po nakausap nyo na rin yung iba pang Noche Buena. Marami po yan, fruit cocktail, cheese, sandwich spread.
Pero yung ibang items po dun, Alvin, nandun na sila they're part of the basic necessities and prime commodities, which will have no price increase. I've also spoken to Ramon Ang of San Miguel, and he also assured that for the basic necessities and prime commodities under San Miguel will have no price increase.
Ayun, ay malaki-laki din player po yun, po?
Yes, opo. And that already came from Ramon Ang mismo, and he told me that they will support the call for the President na no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities.
Yung Pure Foods, Baramon Ang?
San Miguel po. As
San
long
Miguel,
as it's under the San Miguel, I'm not sure which companies are under San Miguel, but
marami
for
yun.
San Miguel products, they assure that for basic necessities and prime commodities, no price increase po ito.
That's good. That's good to hear, po? So,
Yes,
kahit yung sa sardinas, kasi sabi nung sardinas, wala daw kumausap sa kanila. So, hindi totoo, Secretary. Kinausap
hindi
ninyo.
Po because I'm in touch. In fact, I sent to Titus the messages that I have with the owners mismo of like Century Pacific. They already expressed, actually matagal na to that no price increase for the basic necessities and prime commodities and also for mega sardines. I'm in touch with Marvin Lim who's actually the owner also, no, that they already assured us that they will have no price increase for the basic necessities and prime commodities until the end of the year. And they continue to support and they will give the high quality products that Mega Sardines and also Century Pacific and all other companies magbibigay. Wala po itong maging problema sa quality at saka sa portions ng mga produkto.
Yung sa Century po, yun yung ano din to, mabenta din ito yung 555 at saka Ligo.
Yes, at saka Ligo Sardines po,
Opo.
kasama sa basic necessities and prime commodities. They have also assured us that there will be no price increase until the end of the year. And for Pampi also, they have assured us also no price increase until the end of the year. And Ramon Ang, also of San Miguel, and all others, even for the pandesal, even for the tasty bread, wala pong price increase. So for basic necessities and prime commodities, there will be no price increase until the end of the year. So hanggang December 31, 2025, wala po tayong price increase.
Tama. So malinaw na po yun. Let's set that
Yes,
aside.
opo,
Kumbaga,
yes.
sa basic and prime commodities, wala tayong pagtatalunan. Talagang wala nang increase. Ang pag-usapan
wala
na lang
pong price
natin
increase.
this week, yung sa Noche Buena, no? Because some items
Yes.
there, baka may magdi-decrease naman po.
Of course, if decrease, that will be really a good for everyone. We will also inform if there's a price rollback.
Opo.
But for Pampi, the other members have also expressed, in fact, it's in the letter, no, that even for products that are not considered basic necessities and prime commodities, they are willing and they will maintain the no price increase.
Opo, pero linawin din natin, Secretary, kanina sinabi ko po sa komentaryo ko na hindi po lahat kasi ng basic at prime commodities ay may suggested retail price.
In the no price increase.
Opo, pero linawin din natin, Secretary, kanina sinabi ko po sa komentaryo ko na hindi po lahat kasi ng basic at prime commodities ay may suggested retail price. Kaya ang
Correct.
iba dyan,
Tama po
tumataas, may variants na tumataas sa Secretary.
Yes, tama po yun.
So baka kasi sasabihin nila, hindi basic din naman ito, yung sardinas halimbawa, hindi po, may brands ng
Hindi
sardinas.
po. May brands. Yes, may brands po and meron lang list po that are part of the basic necessities and prime commodities. So, ang best po sa atin mga consumers is for them to either go to the website of DTI to check kung anong sakop nitong basic necessities and prime commodities. Actually, malawak po ang sakop nito. Or to go to the supermarkets and groceries, may nakapaskil po doon yung mga different prices ng basic necessities and prime commodities para alam din po nila.
Okay, sige po. So set
Yes.
aside natin yung issue po sa consumer, ano po. Puntahan natin
Yes.
kasi galing lang si Secretary sa APEC at saka sa ASEAN din po.
Yes.
May good news
Yes.
po ba when it comes to investments, yung pamumunan? Kasi kasali din po sa trabaho niyo yun, Secretary.
Yes. Actually, for the SEMFIL, we were able to get actually 50 billion pesos worth of investments. So maganda po ito sa in fact pinakita rin sa news now. It's all over the news, no, that we were able to get 50 billion pesos worth of investments. And then for other companies, because actually ang APEC, it's really more of meeting with the different G21 companies, G20 companies, and we have really continued to establish strong ties with them, and we have spoken to them, and we will continue to trade. We have also expressed more FTAs with these countries, and maganda po yung naging exchange namin, maganda yung naging usapan din namin that we will strengthen the trade between the G20 countries and the Philippines. And on the sidelines, we were able to do some meetings with some companies like, let's say, the DL company for the nuclear energy. We also have the Hanwha company for shipbuilding. And then we also have the SEMFIL. We also have the Samsung. We also met with Hyundai. So marami po kaming napag-usapan dito sa mga companies ito. And most of them are already in the Philippines. So they will continue to grow their businesses in the Philippines and continue to strengthen the investments in the Philippines. They actually have really strong faith and confidence in the leadership of our President, Ferdinand Marcos Jr. And for a company like Semfil naman, which is also part of Samsung, we were able to close a 50 billion peso investment. So maganda po itong development for the Philippines. So the confidence in our government is still actually very strong among the APEC countries.
Yung 50 billion, sa ASEAN ba yun o APEC din yun?
APEC po yun.
APEC din. So 50 billion dollars. Ano po? Ibig sabihin, mag-i-invest po sila?
50 billion pesos po.
50 billion pesos.
Is the initial for the PEZA, under PEZA, but this will still grow considering that this is yung in phases po ito. So magandang balita po ito para sa ating mga kababayan. So
ang ibig sabihin ang ibig sabihin niyan, trabaho, Secretary, additional jobs.
Yes, additional jobs. Actually, 3,000 jobs po ito. And then there's also more jobs to be, more jobs coming kasi mag-e-expand po ito. And then like for Hanwha, they want to open a shipbuilding facility in the Philippines. So that's actually more jobs also.
Okay.
So ito po yung mga napag-usapan in the sidelines of APEC. Kasi nagpo-pull aside kami for meetings. Every time may konting break, nakikipag-usap po kami. Then aside from the leaders meeting, meron rin kaming mga bilateral meetings between both countries. The president was there, of course, and of course kami nandun kami to really show also support that to the countries that invest in the Philippines, we will make sure that we get things done and we will make sure we will take care of their investments. Through a whole government approach. Lahat po kami ng cabinet secretaries magtutulong-tulungan para lang to make sure na kumita at maging successful ang mga negosyo sa Pilipinas.
Sec, tell us something more about may binanggit ka about nuclear. Anong mangyayari sa nuclear? Sila magsusupply ng nuclear facility sa atin?
Actually po, we're just starting this. No, there's actually an intent by one company to actually explore the nuclear in the Philippines para ibaba yung price ng power, but this is not final yet. It's still in the exploratory and we're still talking and still in the feasibility stage. So once mag-final to or once matuloy ito, then we will also inform the public. But for now, it's still a feasibility study and it's still an exploratory stage.
So magtatayo sila ng nuclear facility, yung makabago ba yan?
It's a possibility. It's still, they're still exploring. Nothing is final yet.
Okay, pero hindi, ang plano ikako nila, yung maliliit na nuclear o yung traditional na parang sa Bataan?
We haven't finalized that yet.
Okay, sige. Sec,
Yes,
thank you.
yeah.
Mabuhay ka. Maraming salamat for waking up early, ha? Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Alvin.
Si Secretary Maria Cristina
Okay, thank you. Maraming salamat.
Alviguer Roque ng Department of Trade and Industry.